Okay. Now, this pastel fuchsia, to me kind of reminds me of what Qualtech's Wild Berry, I believe it was called, but thicker. Wow. Okay. So here's kind of the triad, let's say, of the pinks that we have. And with the pastel, uh, there's the fuchsia. That's a man. I'm just looking at some of these colors and how they look. And again, I really do feel, I mean, if you have some inside track information about how some of these colors were created, or even the history more of Decomex, I would love to know some more because it really does feel like they gave a lot of conscious thought in how each color relates to the other colors. I mean, I think I only again got about 23, 25 of their colors when I think they have a total of about 40. So there's a lot of places that fill in the gaps. Okay.